कि श्री राम ने त्रेता युग में सेतु बना डाला था। Greetings to our honorable speaker, our jury members, and also my dear ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aditi Das from South Tripura district, and today I am stand before you to speak about the Union Budget 2026, Yuva Shakti Budget towards Vikasit Bharat 2047. I will start. We are not just the biggest democracy in the world, we are the mother of democracy. These are the words of our guiding light, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And today, this ancient soul meets a modern vision in the Union Budget 2026. Look at this year budget. It is a bold declaration that the youth of India are not longer job seekers. It is a engine of innovation. This year 2026 budget is recognized that India to be Vikasit, its youth must be Shaktishali, and it's declared three kartavyas: accelerating growth, fulfilling aspirations, and ensuring Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. From the setting up ABGC content creator labs in 15,000 schools to help our orange economy system, to the building girls hostels in every district, from the semiconductor hubs to the Biopharma Shakti revolution. This 2026 budget is designed that our Bharat is going more and more, and we can also moving from brain drain to brain gain, and we can see this spirit right here in the soil of our beloved Tripura, my dear ladies and gentlemen, because we are the state of the India's first state innovation mission. We are the state of India's third fully literate state. We are becoming the gateway to the northeast. From our bamboo artisans to our AI developers, Tripura is showing the world that make from Tripura is the new global standard. But why we also call it a youth-driven budget? Because it trusts you, because it trusts me, because it trusts the 370 millions of young Indians by invest our talent through the My Bharat platform, by invest our mental health through the institute, by invest our sweat through the Khelo India mission. And that's why today we are stand here, my dear vibrant voices of Tripura, with our aspirations, innovations, and our can-do spirit. This 2026 budget has given us the wings. Now this is time for the youth of India to fly. नया दौर है, नई उमंग है, विकास की अब नई तरंग है, युवा शक्ति के कंधों पर ही विकसित भारत का रंग है. That's all I conclude. Thanks for hearing me. जय हिंद, जय भारत.